As your venue grows, so does the amount of data in your reports. To keep things clear, you need a way to group products for accounting purposes. Reporting categories group products together to simplify end-of-month reconciliation and the mapping of transactions with other accounting systems. They can also be used to spot sales trends. In this video, you'll learn how reporting categories work and how to set them up to make your reporting clearer. Reporting categories are groups you assign to products like activities, parties, or food and beverage. They help you spot sales trends faster, and they support cleaner bookkeeping when you map categories to general ledger or GL codes. Instead of reviewing every individual product, reporting categories let you view the revenue and tax of each group in a way that reflects how your venue actually operates. You manage reporting categories directly in Venue Manager. From Venue Manager, go to Reports, then select Reporting Categories. At the top of the page, you'll see a quick overview of your setup. Total Products shows how many products you have in Roller. Unassigned highlights active products that aren't linked to a reporting category. And Unassigned Archived shows archived products that aren't assigned. When you use reporting categories, it's important to keep the number of unassigned products low. Unassigned products can lead to incomplete or confusing reports. To create a new reporting category, select Create a Category. Enter a category name, such as Admissions or Food and Beverage. Then, add the corresponding account or General Ledger GL code used in your accounting system. Each GL code can only be used once. Next, select the products you want to assign to the category. This automatically includes all variations of each product. Once you assign a product to a reporting category, it no longer shows up in the list when adding products to a category. This makes it easy to see which products are still unassigned. Select Save to create the category. If you ever need to delete a category, use the Options menu and select Delete. Keep in mind that deleted categories can't be recovered. Once set up, reporting categories appear across Roller reports. You'll see them in reports like Detailed Product Sales, Revenue Recognition, Trial Balance and Ledger Summary, where they group revenue and tax by category and GL code. They also flow through to Analytics dashboards and reports, helping you view performance consistently across operational and financial insights. This ensures your reporting stays aligned across sales, analytics, and accounting views. These reporting categories and GL codes are reflected in the Ledger Summary report, ensuring revenue and tax are grouped correctly and aligned with your accounting system for easier reconciliation. When products are assigned to the right reporting categories, your reports stay accurate, exports are easier to reconcile, and finance reviews take far less time. They help you trust your numbers and clearly see how different parts of your venue are performing. You've just learned what reporting categories are, where to find them, and how to set them up correctly. You're ready to group products in a way that makes reporting clearer, keeps your numbers accurate, and supports better accounting and business decisions.